I hear it coming up. It's 4:35, October 8, 2025. Where they going? I hear him, but I don't see him. Bye. Going that way. Here they come. They're gonna cut right in front of them too.